Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come to this website gigabyte.com, then go to search button and enter the model number B860 DS3H and then hit enter. Then click to product and click off there. Then click to support. Select operating system which is you require the driver. So Windows 10 any because installation process same. VGA driver. So Intel, this is size, and you just click to download. It will start downloading automatically. So guys, it is downloaded. You can see this side. Just click to open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. And then close.